Mr. Blackops, the most tactical figure. I'm stocky as hell, they call me big heavy hitter. The only dude on the block with a deadly trigger. Yeah, I love my compact, but I got much bigger. You should see the way I move when I carry my load. I bet you can't do this in the heat or the cold. I don't like to brag, but the story's already told. If you make it on my list, then it's already sold. I don't play no game shit. Look at my gear. When I pop up on the scene, I'm the they fear. Throw a flash in your shit, you can barely even hear. That's the only type of warning when you know I'm with here. I'm the fisher on the block with the night vision goggles. I don't got a switch, but I got a binary toggle. Vented barrel, vented side, that's a custom model. Flame shooting through the pipe like a gasoline throttle. Got my top op on the street, that's tactical lady. Code name on the field, I call her Glorious Baby. You won't see her in the dark, she the chick that's ready. If I let her off the leash, she the dog that's crazy. I be locked on a mission that I prep for days. Proceed to the order that I planned this way. You can run all you want, but I get you with the tape. How you flipping on the floor, cause you stunned by the rays. I'm like John Wick with the guns, I got hella move. Transition to my second back up, so smooth. If you see me on the scene, then it's something to prove. I'm the Undertaker till your grave, your body removed. Got you locked on the scope, I can see you by the yard. If you feel me on the scene, then you better sit and start. I can hit a fly on the spot sitting on Mars. So what you really think when you sit in the car? The way I move around, people think I'm AI. I'm a tactical ninja, you can't even deny. Sick, you see it on a lock, breaking bones till you cry. If I'm knocking at your door, you better say your goodbyes. I make them fear my name when I say Blackops. I'm the reason why they go and say they got ops. When I come around, you know, I'm never gonna stop. Why? Cause I don't play the same rules of a cop. I'm the dedicated op to complete the mission. Rain, sleet, or snow, or just any condition. Just know if you on my list, then I went fishing. And I'm never gonna stop till I collect the commission. So every time you talk, boy, watching you dissing. Cause I got a good way to make things go missing.